Clark County ATC Construction/Carpentry is a hands-on program that involves math and problem-solving skills. Students in this program will learn the following skills: hand and power tool operation and safety, basic construction math, construction drawings and specifications, floor and wall framing, ceiling and roof framing, interior and exterior finishing, and much more. This program emphasizes the importance of teamwork and critical thinking skills needed to succeed in today's construction industry.
We start out with these little square blocks of wood. We put a tube through them and you take off the edges and you get it down to about the size of a regular pin. Then we'll stain it and it'll make a really nice looking pin.
Information technology is the study, design, development, implementation, support, or management of computer-based information systems, particularly software applications and computer hardware. The Information Support and Services pathway focuses on the design of computing systems. The courses include instruction in the principles of computer hardware and software components, algorithms, database, and telecommunications.
This is student made. It was made out of a computer running an emulator and put into a casing.
I'm making an Ethernet cable so we can hook it up to the network, all our computers to the network.
Maintenance and light repair section A, B, C, and D present the theory, component identification, operation, diagnosis, and service and repair of engines, brake systems, electrical systems, suspension and steering systems, automatic and manual transmissions, plus transaxles, and engine performance systems. In all areas, appropriate theory, safety, and support instructions will be taught and required for performing each task. The instruction will also include identification to use appropriate tools and testing measurements, equipment required to accomplish certain tasks. The student will also locate and use current reference and training materials from accepted industry publications and resources, and write industry standard work orders to help simulate the workplace environment.
My name's Caleb Davis, and I'm a senior in high school at GRC. And after high school, I plan on going to Morehead State University, and I'm going to major in business management classes. And in the summer, I'm going to take auto courses like this and hopefully learn the trade. And I'm going to hopefully own my own chain of auto shops one day.
So in Automotives A, B, and C, which are the first three courses, you basically just learn like maintenance and like how a car works, like how to fix problems on a car and stuff like that. And then in Automotives D, which is what I'm in, it's a special automotives co-op, and you get a job in a shop somewhere near here. So I work at Subaru, Quantrell Subaru in Lexington, and I don't come to school Monday, Wednesday, or Friday because I'm in an automotives special co-op. And you get to go work all day on these Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You don't have to go to school at all, and you just get hands-on training at an actual shop and get the work experience, which you can apply on any resume for any future job that you want to have in the automotive industry.
Welcome to the Integrated Engineering Program at the Clark County ATC.
So I'm starting with, this is a 4-course program, and the first course is the mechanical drives course, where we use these motors putting things like these belts, chains, other pulleys, and we use instruments like this to measure the capacity of the motor, the speed, and many other things that we use. We also use lots of tools, learn how to read those and use those, as well as using those readings in equations to calculate other important aspects of these motors. This is the second course. In this course we deal a lot with using these breadboards where we use AC and DC power. We use those to make simple circuit boards with the lights and other resistors and all that, learning how those work and what they do. Here we have an oscilloscope set up, which we use quite a bit. This is so you can visualize the electricity. But the second course is focused on understanding and using AC and DC power in a simple circuit board.
The third course of integrated engineering is fluid power. So in this course we're basically using these Amatrol trainers to learn about pneumatic and hydraulic power systems. So basically the goal is just to be able to read and create schematics and then put the knowledge to the test on these trainers here. So the fourth course in integrated engineering program is motor controls. And basically in this course we just learn about how power relays, logic control, and switches and things of that nature can be used and wired to understand how motors are used in a factory setting.
First year, you mainly do safety, just to ensure that you don't get hurt out in the welding shop. And then at the last of it, you start doing some basic stick work, slants and beads, 60-10, 70-18, so it's back to the pads. Second year is blueprint. Learn how to read a blueprint and make a blueprint and put it together. With different types, you'll start getting into MIG and more advanced stick. Your third year is based on what you choose, whether you go down the MIG route or the stick route, and that's what you do all year long. Senior year is basically again what you choose. You can do TIG or just the advanced, the most advanced stick, MIG, and just where you can do TIG.
My name's Chase Gabbard. I'm a junior at George Arts Park High School, and right now I'm practicing on my 1/8 vertical certification test.
At GRC, welding is one of the classes that you can get certifications in that as soon as you leave high school you can get a really good job. A lot of the boys and girls that have come into here have left high school with multiple certification tests that they can take directly to the job site. All right, a good reason to come into welding is with competitions. I placed first at region this year and got a scholarship to KWI. And each year you can have multiple people come into the welding shop and compete in this competition to receive scholarships to this college.
In the health science area, we are firm believers in offering students a real-world experience as much as possible. From labs in anatomy, to working with mannequins in our clinical skills lab, to placing students in internships in the healthcare community, we know students learn best by seeing, hearing, and doing. Come learn, experience, and do with us. My name is Tori Johnson, and I'm here in the health science pathway in the ATC. And to join this pathway, you can first take emergency procedures, which you can become certified in CPR and first aid. Next, you can take anatomy, where you get to learn about the human body. And in your senior year, you can take the nurse aid class, which is where you can become certified as a nursing assistant. The second half of that class, you can go out and job shadow, intern with the hospital, different clinics. There's also other classes that you can take where you can be certified as an EKG tech or an EMT. And I've learned a lot, and it's put me on like the right path to where I want to be.